Anybody in the market for a new home on the Suncoast knows that prices are not cheap. Things have turned around since the Great Recession, so much so that it's now a seller's market. SNN's Melissa Warren is in our newsroom now with more on what has caused prices to skyrocket and how the trend can be reversed. Melissa?
One Sarasota real estate expert says there is hope the market will level out. It's just a matter of when. Sarasota Association of Realtors President Peter Crowley says in the past 18 months, the area has seen a definite shift to a seller's market due to the lack of homes listed.
And the demand has been fairly consistent and fairly steady and fairly healthy. It's really the supply of inventory that's driven that that shift to the seller's market.
Crowley says for prices to level, the market needs more homes.
The best thing that could help that are a couple things. One, the new home construction that's already started and that has begun, that will help provide some much needed inventory. And as prices continue to increase, more and more sellers are going to be in a better equity position to be able to list their homes and be able to sell.
Crowley says he's been closely monitoring similar real estate markets like Phoenix and says based on the trends they're seeing there, he expects those prices to level out soon.
They've experienced the same highs and lows that we have over the last several years, the same level of distressed inventory that we have over the last several years. And just recently, they've seen a huge increase in their inventory numbers, and they've seen that price increase moderate and actually, in some instances, start to decrease.
Until the area can achieve a balance of supply and demand, Crowley says prices will remain high and choices will be limited the lower the prices, and even more so for those looking to finance. Crowley says while you can draw a lot of comparisons to the leveling of markets like Phoenix, he doesn't expect prices to fall drastically as much as they will simply level out.
But even as they level out, Melissa, one of the big concerns is people being able to get financing. What advice does he have for them?
He says you should speak with a mortgage professional and get pre-qualified as soon as possible to make sure you qualify for the financing, and it will make the buying process easier once you find the right property.
I've also found, Melissa, that if you deal with the people who are building the homes directly, sometimes they can give you a better deal than you can get with the banks. Thanks, Melissa.